क्योंकि 370 का लॉस हुआ है।
हाँ,
अभी तेरे 12 रुपए वसूल हो गए।
Would you rather watch your parents have every day for the rest of your life?
स्कल काटा और फिर लास्ट में जो भी है रिप्रोडक्टिव और
तू पक्का डॉक्टर है या कसाई है?
It's sad to say this. A woman's body became a calculation, a settlement, a recovery of investment. They say you take her top off, more money recovered. You put your hands inside her pajamas, more money recovered. Vasuli, that was a joke. And the man delivered it wasn't some random hacker in the crowd. It was comedian Harneet Moore.
तो उसने मेरे को हिंट दिया कि किसकी।
हाँ।
अब मैं तो पहले ही चार्ज था।
क्योंकि 370 का लॉस हुआ है।
हाँ,
अभी तेरे 12 रुपए वसूल हो गए।
तो मैंने क्या करा, मैंने उसको पकड़ा और की स्टार्ट। ठीक है, किस कर रहे हैं हम, मेरे को मज़ा नहीं आ रहा। मैं कहा यार, तो मैंने क्या करा, पहले तो मैं यही हाथ डाल रहा था, तो किस करते करते मैंने उसकी टोप पहन रही थी, वो टोप उठाया, टोप डाल।
A creator with millions of followers, a man with a microphone, a stage, an audience, and most importantly, a choice, because at any point he could have stopped. He could have said, no, we are not doing this. Instead, he turned it into a punchline.
टोप उठाया, टोप डाल रही थी।
टॉप
तो मैंने उसका टॉप उठाया,
हाँ।
नीचे उसने एक वो क्या कहते हैं उसको यार, पजामी।
A woman was reduced just to a transaction. A biryani worth 370 rupees, a kiss worth 12, a body rescued to a balance sheet, and the audience laughed. That is the disturbing part. Not because comedy should never offend, comedy has always offended, but because there is a difference, clear difference between challenging society and reducing another human being to an object. The question is not whether joke was made, the question is why this joke was even considered acceptable and why outrage often seems selective. Because we have already seen how quickly this country can react when public figures cross a line.
Would you rather watch your parents have every day for the rest of your life?
क्या हो गया रणवीर भाई को?
Remarks triggered controversy. The backlash was immediate. FIRs, media debates, political reactions, court proceedings following the episodes removed. The message was loud and clear. Words have consequences. So, where is that same conversation now? Because this is not an isolated incident. A conversation involving a deceased body donated to medical science was also turned into a public joke, a joke that many people found insensitive, a joke that sparked criticism across social media.
स्कल काटा और फिर लास्ट में जो भी है रिप्रोडक्टिव और
तू पक्का डॉक्टर है या कसाई है? और ऐसे कोई जोक वो भी मारते तभी एकदम सीरियस रहते सब लोग।
मारते?
जोक वो भी मारते? क्या इसके दिमाग में कुछ नहीं है?
व्हाटएवर जो भी साइज वगैरह जो
क्या? साला तुम लोग ये सब बातें करते हो?
And now, Sejal has issued an apology. That apology deserves to be heard, but it does not erase the fact that the words were spoken. Because once something is said in public, it becomes part of the public conversation. And that brings us to the bigger issue. This is not about cancelling comedians, stand-up shows. It is not about politicizing every joke, and it is not about deciding who gets to speak. It is about understanding that freedom of expression and personal responsibility must exist together. No law decides every word we speak. No license is required before posting online. But that does not mean every boundary disappears. Because influence without restraint becomes recklessness, and attention without responsibility becomes a problem. Whether you are a comedian, a creator, an influencer, or just an ordinary person with a social media account, everything has a limit. Not because society demands protection or perfection, but because dignity matters, empathy matters, and the people at the receiving end of our words matter. The real question is not whether someone apologized, the real question is whether we are or are we learning where the line should be. Because a society that can laugh at anything must still know when to stop.